pack nothing I need, just the weight I can't leave. Walk until the city disappears behind the trees. No arrival, no return, just the soft sound of the earth, reminding me that I existed once before the hurt. This isn't running, I know the difference now. It's more like breathing through a chest that forgot how. And I've walked through fields that don't remember yesterday, where the light comes down like it has nothing left to say. I used to laugh without remembering why. Now I practice it alone, somewhere between the roots and the sky. Somewhere between the roots and the sky. I see my older self in the corner of a photograph, eyes that hadn't learned yet what it costs to love like that. I wore it all so lightly then, like joy was just the weather. Now I carry it like stones collected one by one forever. I'm not looking for an answer in the silence of these roads, just somewhere that will hold me without needing me to know. And I've walked through fields that don't remember yesterday, where the light comes down like it has nothing left to say. I used to laugh without remembering why. Now I practice it alone, somewhere between the roots and the sky. You held my hand once, just briefly, just once, and I've been measuring warmth against that moment ever since. Everyone says live fully, but no one tells you how, when the fullest you ever felt was then, and this is now. So I walk through fields that haven't seen my face, and I let the rain pronounce my name in ways I can't erase. Every road I've never taken brings me close to wherever you are waiting, in the place I need you most.